Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Institute of Science and Technology. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create our own sheet format for SolidWorks drawings. For this, I will go to File and New, and I will select drawing from this and OK. Now I will go to standard sheet size, and after that I will select A4 size and A4 landscape. Now it has saved the information of A4, and after that I will go to custom, and we can see that it has selected height and width of custom A4 sheet size, and now OK. I will go to sheet, and from sheet edit sheet format. Now I will go to sketch, and I will draw a rectangle there, or you can draw margin according to your requirement. So I am going to draw a center rectangle. For this, now I will arrange this rectangle. Go to trim entities and trim these center lines. Okay, and now I will delete this point. Now it's time to add blocks in this sheet. For this, I will go to sheet, and I will again go to sketch, and I will select line from there. Now I will create these blocks manually, and 1, 2, and the other line will be horizontal. Now we will add title block, sheet size, scale, and name of the designer. For this, I will go to annotations and note. First of all, I will place a note here, and I will select the font type Times New Roman, or you can select any of font from there. I am going to select Times New Roman, and size will be 16, and I am going to write title here. Now we can make it bold or change color of these texts. Select the text, make them bold, and from color scheme we can select color of texts. I am going to select red color, and now OK. After that, press escape. Now add another title block. For that, I will go to note, and I will place a note here. Select Times New Roman, and I will write sheet size here. I am going to select red color as a default. Now it's time to add other text. So I will press escape to exit from the previous one and go to note again, and we will add a block here. Times New Roman, and our font will be 16 and designed by. Make it bold and okay. We will change its color to red. Now I will add another note, and I will write scale here. Its font will be Times New Roman, and color will be red, and we will bold it. Now again press escape to exit from the previous text. Now I am going to add logo of my channel. For that I am going to insert a picture. Go to insert and picture and logo, open. Now I will resize this logo and place it here. Now go to OK. Now we have prepared our sheet size. So now it's time to add this sheet into our format so that we can use it in our future drawings. Now it's time to save this sheet format, and for this I will go to file and save sheet format, and I will rename this and write here my sheet format. Now I will save this, and it is saved. Thanks for watching. If you are new on our channel, then please subscribe our channel so that you can get notification of our incoming tutorials.